Welcome all. In last lecture we have seen how to make entries into the K-map boxes from truth table and SOP expression. After that we have seen a short introduction regarding the K-map reduction techniques. In today's lecture we will see in detail how to use the K-maps for reducing a particular Boolean expression. We will see one by one the three methods of K-map reduction techniques, that is pair method, chord method and octet method. First we will see pair method, in which we group two adjacent ones on a K-map to form a pair. Then the resulting term will have one less variable than the original term. That means by pairing two adjacent ones we can eliminate one variable from each of the product term in a given Boolean expression. Now here we will see some examples how to make a group of two adjacent ones, and what will be the effect of pairing two adjacent ones. Now this is the first example in which already K-map entries are available in the K-map boxes. So only we have to find the two adjacent ones and we have to make a group of those two ones, that is we have to make a pair. Now in this K-map there is a one group, that is this one. After finding a group of two ones, what will we have to do is that we have to first we are going to take the variable or terms related to this group, that is a bar is related to this group. I will write down that variable. After that these two terms are related with the group which we have made over here, that is BC and BC bar. These are the variables or terms which are associated with a pair. Now if we observe this, there is a B variable is available over here and another B variable is available over here. So we are going to consider only one B, as B into B gives you a B. After that this C and this C bar gets cancelled, as C into C bar results in 0. So the resulting term will be A bar B for this pair. This is how we get a output equation as A bar B for this particular K-map. In the second example, there is a pair, that is this one. Now we will write the terms related with this pair. The terms related with that pair are A bar A and B bar C. Now out of these terms A bar will get cancelled, as A bar gives 0, and the remaining term will be B bar C. This is our end equation. that is reduced equation using K-map. Now in the next example, that is in the next given K-map, here there are two ones, one is over here and another is over here. Now as this cell and this cell are adjacent with each other, so we can make a group of pair like this by combining these two adjacent ones. Now the terms related to the pair are A, B, C, B bar, C bar, this one, and this one B, C bar. Now out of this, B bar B get cancelled, this C bar and this C bar will give you a single C bar, so the resultant output equation will be A C bar only. After that, for this example, here is a 1 and another one is over here. Now as this cell and this cell are adjacent with each other, so we can make a group of two ones like this. Now the term related to this group are this one, that is A, B bar, this one, that is A bar, B bar. After that, the remaining term is this one related to our pair, that is C bar, D. Now out of these, A bar get cancelled, this B bar and this B bar will give single B bar, so the end resultant equation will be B bar, C bar, D. If we see another example, example number 5, in this 3 ones are entered in the K-map boxes and only 1 0 is there for the two variable K-map. So if you observe, there could be two pairs, this is one pair, and as this one is remaining as a single, we can make another pair like this. These are two overlapping pairs. Now the term related to this pair will be only A bar, as this B and B bar get cancelled. After that, the term related to this pair will be B bar, that is this one, this A bar and A get cancelled. So final equation will be A bar plus B bar. This is our reduced equation. If we observe in this example, there are 4 ones. Now which will make two groups. This is the one group and this is the second group. Now we are not going to form a pair like this. as this one is involved in this pair already and this one is involved in this pair already. So there will be only two pairs. Now the term related to this pair are A bar, B, C, B, C bar. Now from this C bar get cancelled. This B and this B will gives you only one B. So the term related to this first pair will be A bar B. Now the term related to this second pair are A, B bar C and B C. Now out of this B bar get cancelled. This C and this C will gives you only one C. So the term will be A C. So the resultant equation for this K-map is Y is equal to A bar B plus AC. Now we will see the next reduction technique, that is chord method. In this we are going to form a group of 4 adjacent ones. By forming a chord, there will be 2 less variables in the term as compared to the original product terms. That means by grouping 4 adjacent ones we can eliminate 2 variables. Now we will take this example in which there are 4 ones and all the cells containing zeros. So as these 4 cells are adjacent with each other, we can form a group of 4 ones like this. Now again we are going to write the terms related to this group. The terms are A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. Now if we observe in this, these 2 C bar get cancelled with this 2 C. This D bar get cancelled with this D and this D get cancelled with this D bar. So AB bar is the remaining term. So for this group the equation will be, the term will be A B bar. This is how we can make a group of 4 ones. Now after that, in the second example, these are the 4 ones which are adjacent with each other. We are going to form a group of 4 like this. Now here the related terms with this chord are A bar, B bar, A bar, B, this one, A, B, this one and A, B bar, this one, and the last one is C bar D. Now again if we observe, these 2 A bar get cancelled with these 2 A, this B bar get cancelled with this B get cancelled with this B bar. So the only term remained is C bar D. So for this chord the equation or term will be only C bar D. Now in this example there are 4 ones again. We can make a group like this. Now the terms related to this chord are this one, that is a bar b. This is second term, that is ab. This is the third term, that is c bar d bar. This is the fourth term, that is c bar d. Now in this a and a bar get cancelled, this d and this d bar get cancelled, these 2b will give you only 1b, and these 2 c bar will give you only 1 c bar. So the end equation for the grouped chord is b c bar. Now in the next example, here there are 4 ones, this one and this 2 forms a chord. Now if we group these 4 adjacent ones, a chord will form, and the term related to this chord are this one a b bar, this one a bar b bar, this one c bar d, and this one c d. Now in this again this c bar c get cancelled with each other, a bar a get cancelled with each other, these 2 b bar will gives a b bar only, this 2 d gives a d only. So for this chord the term or the equation will be b bar d. Now in the next example, again these are the 4 ones, and these 4 ones are adjacent with each other, so that we can make a group of 4 ones, that is chord, and the term related to this chord are a bar b, ab, c bar d bar, c d bar. Now from this a bar and this a get cancelled with each other, this b and this b will give you a single b. After that, from these 2 terms, this c bar and this c get cancelled, d bar and d bar will give you single d bar. So the equation will be y is equal to b d bar. Now in the sixth example of grouping for adjacent one, there are 4 ones, corner 4 ones, which are adjacent with each other, so we can form a group of these 4 ones to make a chord. Now the term related to this chord are this one a bar b bar, this one a b bar, this one c bar d bar, and this one c d bar. Now out of this a bar and a get cancelled, this c and c bar get cancelled, this b bar and this b bar will gives you only b bar, this d bar and this d bar gives you only d bar. So the equation will be y equal to b bar d bar. Now in the next example, there are in all 7 ones. From that there will be 2 chords. This is the one chord, this is the second chord, and this is the third pair. Now we have to write down the terms related to each chord and pair. Now for this chord the term will be, now I will tell directly, the term will be B C. For this chord the term will be B D, and for this pair the term will be A bar B and C bar. Now by combining all these terms we can get this reduced equation for given K map. Now next we will see third technique, that is grouping of 8 adjacent ones, that is octet method. By grouping 8 adjacent ones with each other, we can eliminate 3 less variables than the original term. So by grouping 8 adjacent ones, 3 variables gets eliminated, so that we can get more reduced equation. Now in octet method, this is the first example in which there are 8 ones. We can group these 8 ones to form a octet. Now the term related to this octet groups are C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar, A bar B bar, A bar B. Now from this C bar and this C get cancelled, this C bar and this C get cancelled. After that this D bar D get cancelled, this D bar get cancelled, and from these remaining two terms B bar and B get cancelled. So the only and these two A bar gives you a single A bar. So the term or equation for this octet is only y is equal to A bar. In the second example, again we can form a group of 8 ones like this. The terms related to these octets are A bar B bar, A B bar, C D and C D bar. From this A bar and A get cancelled, and in these two terms D and D bar gets cancelled with each other. Again these are the two terms related with each other for our octet. This A bar and A get cancelled with each other, this B and this B bar get cancelled, this B bar and B get cancelled. So only two terms are remaining in this, that is this C and this C, which gives only a single C. So the equation for this octet will be y is equal to C only. Now in the next example we can see these 4 ones and these 4 ones. As these two 4 ones are adjacent with each other, we can form a octet like this. Now the terms related to these octets are, again this is A bar B bar and A B bar, and all these 4 terms. Now as we had experience in the previous methods, all these terms gets eliminated as they contains normal variable and their complemented variable. So the only two terms are remain now, this A bar B bar and A B bar. From these two, A bar and A get cancelled, and B bar and B bar gives you only a B bar. So y equal to B bar. This is the reduced equation for our octet. Now in this example number 4, we can have these 4 ones and these 4 ones which are adjacent with each other. So we can form a octet like this by grouping these 8 ones. Now the terms related to these octets are A bar, I will write down, wait a minute, Term related to these octets are a bar, b bar, a bar b, ab, and ab bar. This one c bar, d bar, and cd bar. Now in this, a bar and a get cancelled, this a bar and a get cancelled, this b bar and b get cancelled, this b and b bar get cancelled, this c bar and this c get cancelled. Only 2d bar get remain, which will together gives us a single d bar. So y equal to d bar is the reduced equation for our given octet. So this is how we learn how to make a pair, how to make a chord, how to make a octet to reduce the given Boolean expression using K-map. Thank you.